Do an unboxing of our December box that I shipped out last week. They are arriving now, and I want you to be able to see everything that's in the box. And just a reminder to subscribe for next month. I'll show you a sneak peek of what's coming next month as well. So I'm going to unbox our December box that already shipped, and then I will give you the sneak peek for January. Let's get started. This is our box, and I really like these boxes. Inside, this is what was in our December box. There's always a little card on top that says what's in it. So let me show you what's inside. So this month, everybody got one of my absolute favorite pens, which I will show you is the Uni Jetstream. I love this pen because it writes really, really neatly. The ink dries really quickly. It's almost impossible to smudge on all the papers. There's 3 colors this month, and each box got one of these 3 colors. So there's the purple, the pink, and the light blue, and it's in the 0.5 millimeter. This is the Uni Jetstream in the 0.5 millimeter. And let me just go ahead and show you how it writes. So I'll show you on the inserts that are in the box this month. These are our new style of inserts that are going to be coming out over the next year. And these are to-do list inserts. This is the HP mini size. And here's the HP mini size. These are our new to-do list inserts. I like to put the date that I start a new list. And then to help you, you can write the day as well. And then all of your tasks can go on here, like, oh my goodness, I really need to wrap gifts and plan my son's birthday party. And this is the pen that came in the box, and you can see it writes really nice. It doesn't smear on basically any paper. And the status column is a place where you can just check off if it's done, or you can write like where it's been left off. I like to sometimes keep my old inserts, but I'm going to transfer the items to a new list, so you can write where you left off. Or if you've delegated it, like I need my son to make his guest list, you could write things you're waiting for to get your projects done. So that's a way to use these inserts, and they're just double-sided. There are 15 sheets in here, so you have enough for 30 lists. And these are our new to-do list inserts and our new style that's going to be coming out over the next year. And the pen is the Uni Jetstream 0.5 millimeter pen that came in 3 colors. These are the 3 colors. Each person got one of these. I chose these colors to coordinate with the pair of dashboards that was also in this box that I'll go ahead and show you next. And these, I did sneak peek these on our video a week and a half ago, but there's just a pair of dashboards printed on vellum in full color, textured art in here, and they are meant to coordinate with the rest of the items in the box. So that's why I chose these colors for the pens, was so that they would look nice, whichever one you got with your dashboards. And the sticky notes, which I'm also going to show you. I'm very excited about these. These were our first sneak peek, and they are gorgeous, and they also coordinate with all the colors. And let me just show you how nicely this pen writes on these sticky notes. So here's the way that it looks on the paper. It's transparent. It has a little bit of texture and sheen, but it's very smooth. And actually, how I use these is if I have tasks that I just don't know, like if I want to get to them or if I'm gonna get to them this week, then I will write them on a sticky note. Like I need to reorganize my bathroom closet. and I could write it on here because I don't know when I'm going to get to it, but then I can just take this sticky note and put it like on a new sheet next week if that's what I decide to do. Sorry about the focusing, but these pens write really nicely on here, and you can see, like I was saying, there's no smearing. Even if you so this is the Uni Jetstream 0.5 millimeter. Even if there's a little bit of smearing, but almost nothing, and that was immediately after I wrote on it. So I love these pens, and I just wanted to share them with you. These are my absolute favorite pens, and they are a ballpoint pen, and they go with this, they write really well on this transparent sticky notes that were in this month's box. Everybody got both sizes of these sticky notes in this month's box, and so these are really nice on a pocket size planner. Let me show you what I mean. So these are the pocket size inserts, and you can see the sticky note fits very nicely. I'll show you the size of them on a pocket sized insert. So here's the insert, and then you could just lay it right over there on that center column, so it fits really nicely. It doesn't take over the whole page, and I really like that as well. So I wanted you to have both sizes. They're really versatile, and you also get these pair of dashboards that are vellum, and they match everything that comes in the box as well. Our new to-do list inserts and our new style, and my favorite Uni Jetstream pen. So I hope you liked this box. And I want to show you a sneak peek of what's coming next month in our box. Our sneak peek of what's coming in our January box. I'm really excited about these. So we're going to have a notepad, and it is 4 inches by 5.5 inches, and it has 70-pound paper. It's really nice and thick. You can hear that. And it's got a very, very light pink. So you can see the pink from the paper. Here's the paper. Here's the pink sticky note. And you can see that this notepad is very, very subtly pink with gray grid lines. So I really think that you guys are going to love these notepads. They're super thick. They're really nice quality, and I'm really pleased with them. Been working on these for a while. I'm excited to share them with you in January, and so that's just the first sneak peek of what's going to come in our January box. And I encourage you to subscribe. The last day to subscribe to the January box is going to be the 11th, and you'll get that notepad, and our new styles of inserts are going to be in there, and a writing implement and other fun things. I also have some planner cards coming that will be going in that box. So thanks for joining us this morning. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday.